Teams will take part in the new season of the Jamaica Women's Premier League, which was launched on Tuesday at the Jaguar Showroom. They'll play in 2 groups of 6.
For many years, the Jamaica Women's Premier League was seen as nothing serious. It was barely being seen, and many even raised their noses at it. But it got a well-needed facelift last season as the league became visible with the aid of sponsors. Now it's on a steady pathway, and it's one that is pleasing to the JFF's chairperson of women's football, Elaine Walker-Brown.
Because you have more persons involved and you have professionals, you have some experts in the different fields, so it's not just me and a few others. No, we are broad-based, so the product can be more sustainable and more valuable.
One of the persons behind the transformation of the league is chairperson of the JWPL, Christina Hudson.
Okay, so this year all of our sponsors came back on board after a successful first season, so we have to thank them for that. And we have increased our fundraising by 24% over last season, and we're working with about $21 million.
And Hudson says there is more to be played for financially this year.
Last year our winner took home $300,000, so you can expect hopefully a little bit more than that this year.
After being away for several seasons, Real Mona will make their return, and the man behind it is Neo Oxford.
We decided to stay away from the Premier League a bit to focus on our personal development, technically and tactically. I think we've somewhat mastered that now, and we decided to come back into the league. I've been a Mona player from I was 13 years old. I'm pretty much on the board of Real Mona, so we couldn't go anywhere else to play, and we decided to join the league this year.
Fraser's Whip are the defending champions, and again, they will have the target on their backs.
Yeah, sure. 100% sure, certain. So we can do it again and again because we start at a tender age. So each year we get a next age. So like the oldest person probably be me, and I'm 24. So judge the team that we have.
Arnett Gardens are one of the formidable teams in the league, and again should make this season interesting.
This season we hope to reach first or second, it doesn't really matter. But we are more focused as a team and more determined to go for what we want. And our coach is behind us, our manager is behind us, the team is behind us. And the players are coming together as one.
There are also Wi-Fi United out of Portland and Federal United from Spanish Town.
Honestly, it was our first season. First time playing as a club overall with the women, and I think this season we're coming back stronger because we've been bonding together better as a team, and the first season gave us the exposure. We know what to expect, we know how the teams play, we know, we have a better understanding, so we're coming back stronger.
You can expect great impact from me. Now I'm at the defensive around the back, so this year we're looking out to go in the top 5, so we'll have a better team and we're gelling better, so I think we're going to the top 5. Hopefully.
The league is set to kick off on Saturday with 6 matches. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.
We take another break on Primetime Sports Tuesday, but stay with us. We'll be back with more in the next segment.